We'll reduce spending in our tax code with tax reform that's fair and simple, so that the amount of taxes you pay doesn't depend on how clever an accountant you can afford.
Or offering military family discounts at local businesses, offering professional services, whether someone's a lawyer or an accountant or mechanic.
University of Miami. She go into business and become an accountant.
She enrolled in a community college, retrained for a new career. Today she loves her job as an accountant.
I basically had our accountant put all our money in Treasury bills. The yields, by the way, have not been massive over the course of the last 8 years. Just because it simplified my life.